Web scraping with Python. I'd like to grab daily sunrise/sunset times from a website. Is it possible to scrape web content with Python? What are the modules used? Is there any tutorial available?
Use urlib2 in combination with a brilliant beautiful soup library.
I'd really recommend Scrappy. Quote from a deleted answer. Scrappy crawling is fastest than mechanized because uses asynchronous operations, on top of twisted. Scrappy has better and fastest support for parsing, XHTML on top of LibXML 2. Scrappy is a mature framework with full Unicode, handles redirections, zipped responses, odd encodings, integrated HTTP cache, etc. Once you are into Scrappy, you can write a spider in less than 5 minutes that download images, creates thumbnails and export the extracted data directly to CSV or JSON.
I collected together scripts from my web scraping work into this Bitbucket library. Example script for your case. Output.
I would strongly suggest checking out PyQuery. It uses jQuery Lite, aka CSS Lite, syntax which makes things really easy for those coming from that background. For your case, it would be something like output.
Who do you want to